first we will start with a revision exercise, okay, and then we can go to factorization of a quadratic trinomial. Okay, now the first sum in this type I'll show you. 4xy plus 8 x square y square. Now let's check out these factors, how to find factors, how to remove common. Okay, I'm showing you for your understanding. This is only to understand. First I have my 4xy, which I can write as 4 multiplied by x into y. Now the next is my 8x square y square. Now I'll write it as 4 into 2 into x into x into y into y. Okay, this multiplication and x, you're getting little confused, I think, right? But let's circle the common, right? What is common? Here there is a 4 common and the 4 is common out here. X is common and one y is common, correct? So I will remove whatever I have circled, I remove that common. What is that? 4xy. I remove it common. Okay. Now 4xy, everything is gone away. What am I left with? I am left with 1. Okay, I am left with 1. Now I'll rub this out. I don't require this. Right. Now look here. I removed 4xy. What is left behind? 2x and y. So plus 2xy. This is how I remove common. This is one thing you have to understand very carefully. Then only we can go ahead with the rest of it. Okay. Now I'll show you the second sum. I hope you have written this question out, right? Now second. Okay. I'll show you the second sum. Now what is it? It is 4a square b plus 12ab square. This is the question I have given you. Now see, I am showing you in a still better way. This is 4a square b. So I know this is 12. So I'll write this 4 into a square into b. Correct? I'll tell you why I wrote a square. Correct? You can write a into a. No problem. I'm teaching you a shorter way. 12ab square. 12ab square is 4 into 3 into a into b square. Okay, now look at it. Let's start looking and let's circle the common. First there is 4 common. Now this is a and this is a square. So one a is common. And now see, this is b and this is b square. Now I'll tell you an easier way, correct? You removed 4 common. Okay, I removed 4 common. Now out of a square and a, remove the lower power common. I am removing a common, the lower power. Here b and b square, remove the lower power common. Now let us see what is left behind. Now 4 is gone, so this gets cancelled. Now a square, I have removed a, so what is left behind? 1a is left, correct? And I removed b common, so what is left behind? Only a is left behind, correct? Now let's see the next bracket, plus. Okay, now this is 3. This a has gone. Now there is 1b that has gone away, so I am left with 3b. Okay, so 3b. If you want, you can split it and write. See, like this, if you find it better to understand. 4 into a into a into b. First one. And 12. Okay, a square, ab square. Okay, this is 4 a square b. This is only to understand. When you understand, then you have to do it directly. 4 into 3 into a into b into b. Correct? So here I have my 4 common. I have my 4 common. Okay, then this is a into a. So 1a is common and 1b is common. What is left behind? A is left behind and 3b is left behind. This is for your understanding, right? After this, I am not going to show in so much detail. This is because it's revision exercise I am showing this, okay, in so much of detail. Okay, so now this is my first this thing. Now I'll show you one more sum of this type and then we'll go on to the next type. Come on, let's see how we can do this sum. Okay, see this sum, see the third sum of this type. Okay, now I will say 12 m square n cubed plus 15 m n square. Now let's do it in two ways. Now you see my 12 and you see 15. Let's see if you can understand the other. What is 12? 2 into 2 into 3, and 15 is 3 into 5. What is common? 3 is definitely common, correct? Yes. Now we'll see to the rest, correct? Now this is 2 2s are 4. Okay, I'm making it easier and easier, right? And here this is my 5 left behind. Now let's see the alphabets, right? I'm showing you in different ways. Okay, it's because you have to understand. Now look at this. This is m square and m. Lower power. So we remove m common. M is gone. So from 2 I removed 1. So I'm getting simply m. Correct? N cubed and n square. Remove the lower power. N square. So n square is gone. What is left behind? N. Here m is gone. Here n square is also gone. So you have 5m n plus 5m. Is that clear? Now see, the fourth sum in my revision is my formula which I have to remember, okay, based on the formula. Okay, we did a cube plus b cubed and a cube minus b cubed, but we forgot the one we learnt in the 8th standard, in the 7th standard, correct? A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Okay? Now let's give you sums of this type. 25 x square minus 36 y square. We learned this last year. This becomes 5x the whole square minus 6y the whole square. A square minus b square. A plus b, 5x plus 6y. A minus b, 5x minus 6y. A plus b, a minus b, 5x plus 6y, 5x minus 6y. Is this clear and based on this formula? Now you see the next one which I am going to show you of the same type. Okay, sum number 5 and my revision is over, right? 144 minus 169 m square. Now 144 is, can you see my bracket? 12 square minus 13m the whole square. So very easy, 12 plus 13m, 12 minus 13m. Okay, so this is a very short video, but this is the revision of my 7th standard portion. Okay.